Hi guys, just came in from my walk and I don't want to have a big lunch for whatever reason. I just don't feel like it today, but I do want to have something. So I'm making a protein waffle and I thought I would show you how absolutely easy it is. I use 1 scoop of protein and just a tiny bit extra, 1 egg, and then whip it up and a tiny bit of water. If you have a waffle maker, this stuff is ready in 2 minutes. Now, I spray with the avocado oil because I think everything with the protein powder kind of sticks. And so it turns the waffle a little darker than you would like. Doesn't look like that sunshiny light brown, but I can guarantee it tastes awesome. So that's all I do. 1 egg, a little more than a scoop of the protein powder, and a tiny bit of cold water till I get the right consistency. So, and then just pour it in. And I'm not a pro waffle maker. My daughter is for sure. But yeah, we didn't even have a waffle maker before she came back from Holland. But now I'm using it a lot and really enjoying it. I just learned actually how to I used to pour it all over and then it would overflow. But really you just have to pour it into the middle. Teaching this old dog new tricks. There we go, all turned over. Okay, and then I just wait for the green light to come on, and it's good. What I did want to say too is that this isn't just a regular protein. It's a mix of 2 different types of protein. It actually has a balance of proteins, fats, and carbs in it. So it's almost like having a balanced meal, although we don't consider it a meal replacement at all. And it's got probiotics in it too, which is awesome. And then I'm just gonna have my waffle with my branched chain amino acids, and I actually mixed, it's orangey today because it's usually clear, I mixed my collagen drink in with it. So that's going to be my lunch, and I know it's going to taste awesome. And usually what I do is I just add a little bit of natural nut butter on the side and then break my waffle into 4 and tip it over. Okay, the light's on. Let's see how this turns out. There's really no guarantee with me. As you guys know, I'm not the best cook in the world. So let's see. Not bad. Missing a couple of corners. But I can tell you right now, it's going to taste awesome and I'm going to enjoy it. So have a good Saturday. Try the protein muffin, or the protein waffle. You saw how fast it came. And I made it in, well, I don't even think it was 2 minutes. I'm at 2 minutes and 59 seconds. So there you go. All said and done, a 3-minute waffle. Okay, have a great day. Bye.